Hello queens, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my channel is about style that is defined by creativity and lifestyle. So feel free to hit the subscribe button to get more. Today's video is about a collective haul. So I have picked some basic pieces and I would like to share that with you. Okay, spring is just around the corner and I need to refresh my wardrobe, and I have some basic pieces that I have been using so much and now I need some replacement. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. Oh, before I forget, I'm going to link all the items in the description box below, and I will also put my measurement as well as my size. So let's start with this first piece I picked. It's a medium brown knit skirt and it's from Nordstrom. The skirt is very comfy and cute. I absolutely adore the skirt. The skirt is reminding me of the trend that's going on right now. We can all see that everyone is wearing a long skirt with a split in front or behind, or no split at all, so it's everywhere. But I love the length. It's a perfect classic length that you can style it elegantly and you can do whatever you want with it, as long as you use your creativity. The skirt has an elastic band at the waist. It's very versatile. As I said, you can pair it with flat heel, sneaker, booty, and it's gonna look amazing, I am telling you. And it's giving me a more loose fit and I am okay with that. So for you, if you like a very tight, fit, you can just size down. I picked a size medium, and from the website it goes from extra small to extra large, and then it comes in two different colors. So you have the black and then you have this medium brown. Yeah, obviously when you look at the fit of the skirt on me, you can see my little tummy. Yeah, I've made peace with my belly. And the next piece is this mini leather skirt, and it's concealed with zipper at the back, as you can see, and I really like it. It's really relaxed, in addition to the leather that I absolutely adore. So it's a classic mini black skirt, even if it's a leather, but you can still use that and style it, with in so many different ways. The skirt is from H&M, and in the website you have a hand-stitched version. Yeah, it's a hand-stitched version of the skirt, so you are welcome to go and check it. I got the skirt at $29. Yeah, it was $29 something, and for me it's such a steal because it's a classic piece and you will get the most use of it. If you are very good at taking care of your stuff, you're gonna keep it for a long time. In addition, it's such a clean line, so simple, and in my mind I envision different way of styling it, and I am sure you as well. So I'll just show you how the skirt looks like on the model on the website here. But unfortunately the skirt is sold out on the H&M website. Dynamic Clothing have a few skirts that are really similar to this. I will just give you some alternative in the description box. So the next outfit is this jean. This blue jean from Zara is a high-waisted jean, a straight leg, turn up. I really like the turn up because it just gives a little bit of style, on the jean. I absolutely love the jean. It's so cute, and it's a loose fit of course. And from the website, this was a size 0 to 16. This was on sale, and I got this jean at 39 Canadian dollar. I absolutely adore how flattering the jean is on my body. So here is a simple way that I can just suggest you to style it. You can just keep this simple for spring. You can just wear it with a white polo shirt and just throw on a pair of black loafer, put your sunglasses, and here you are good to go. Yeah, keep it simple. Sometimes less is more. And then the next item I picked is a white mom jean from Mango. I absolutely adore the white mom jean, the mom jeans in general. Like, I have a black one and now I am just adding a white one. It's one of my go-to jeans. Like, every time, you know, I feel like I don't know what to wear, I will just go straight and pick up my mom jeans and go. It's a 5-pocket jeans as well, and you can see the length is just perfect on me. You can see the fit. This one is a little bit tight. It's not too loose as the previous jean that I just presented, and I really like the fit. I really like the fit on me. So flattering, and I can just see so many possibilities. It's simple and one of the basic pieces to have for spring. The fabric is just so perfect. And for the mom jean, if you don't know how to style it, just keep it simple. It's a white jean, so white on white is always a perfect idea. Add some sneaker, add some flat, and you are good to go. This was on sale and I spent $29.99 Canadian dollar. The next piece is this 90 boyfriend jeans from H&M. I absolutely like this. It's such a cute tee. It's a loose fit and it's 100% cotton. So I really like that it's 100% cotton. The range size on the website goes from size 0 to size 18. It has 2 colors. We have this blue and we have a light blue. That jean features 5 pockets as well, and it's a straight leg. It's a high-waisted. In the front, the jean is not the zipper, it's the button, as you can see. Just make me think most of the ladies jeans. I absolutely adore the quality of these jeans, and I can say that it really fit the bills. I spent like $42, but in the website right now it's like $49 something. H&M regularly we do on the website online 15% off or 25% off. So for me, it's always the good time to pick some pieces that I really want to have. The item that I got as well is this top from Mango. It's a square neck and I really like it. It looks like a skim brand, but it's not. It's so comfortable. The material is so soft on the skin and I really love it. So I think that I spent around $9.99. It is on sale at Mango and it features 2 colors, and black and burgundy. So I picked both of them. Okay, this is the end of the video. I hope that you liked the outcome. So just hit the subscribe button and hope to catch you next time when I will post the next video. Bye.